Welcome back. Now let's go ahead and create our first application which will display a message to the user saying hello world. Go ahead and try to create a new project. From file, new, choose project, and make sure that you're using C# from here, and also make sure that you're using console application .NET framework. Go ahead and type its name, hello world, and choose where you'll be saving this. For me, I'll be saving it on here. Go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, created a solution file called Hello World containing one project called Hello World as well. And actually there is one file here called program.cs. CS stands for C#, and which is containing our code, and this file will be with us for the upcoming lectures. We will type most of our codes inside of it until we go to some advanced topics. And as you can see here, I can make it zoom in or out depending on what makes you feel better. Actually, I'm zooming it so that you can see it better. Okay, before we do any typing, I don't want you to worry about all of this code. We will explain it as we're going throughout the course. Now, let's go ahead, and all we're going to do in this tutorial here, that we will display a message hello world on the screen. Okay, now how can we do this? We will use a class called console, and as you see, as I'm typing here, Visual Studio is telling me the option that I have, if there's any variables or classes or anything that matches this name, it will be appearing here. And this window here, or this option, exactly called IntelliSense. So IntelliSense telling me that there is a class called console. I will be using this, and actually it has a function called writeLine and write. Let's choose writeLine and go ahead and type this hello world. And don't worry, we will be discussing all of this in details. Now, this message, like from the presentation, will only display the statement hello world to the user. And let's run it. We can run it in different ways. We can come here and say start, but this will be not quite good, as we will see in a bit. It will display a window containing this message, but it will be closing without us doing anything, because actually it just popped the message and closed. We can solve this in many ways. One of the ways is we can come again, say console writeLine, but read line, not writeLine, read line. This is the opposite of writeLine. WriteLine is displaying something for the user. Read line is taking an input from the user, so the program will stop and waiting for an input from the user, and actually we will not give it an input. So we see here is the message type, but actually that's not the most elegant way to do this. We can just come here and from the menu debug, start without debugging. This will do the same effect, as you can see, without doing this. Or you can just simply come here and press on your keyboard, control F5, and this will do the same job. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lectures.